Hi guys, today's episode tayo ay gagawa ng atsara. I have here grated papaya, green papaya, and then I boiled the apple cider, and then I add salt, black pepper, and the onion, garlic, bell pepper, and carrots. And let the mixing begin. Very relaxing to guys. Daran. There we go. Oh. Lakas. Lakas ng amoy ng apple cider guys. This is my apple cider guys. Almost finished again. And of course, sea salt. Pwedeng mawala yan guys. Daran, and let the mixing begin. Daran. Grabe guys, oh. I want the garlic and the onion be crunchy. Kaya hindi ko siya pinakuluan. I just put it when it's a little bit calm down the apple cider because I boiled the apple cider so that hindi masira agad ang aking atsara. And Jacob will finish this in 1 week. Basto ni Jacob guys. Charot lang. Jacob, where are you? Saan ba si Jacob? Baka naliliko na. Ang daming sahog. Kasi hindi ko pa siya na-mix guys. Dapat 2 kamay ko. Ito guys, sa ngalan ng atsara, kailangan natin mix together, salo-salo together, para mas masarap guys. Hindi pala ako naglalagay ng sugar guys, kasi sa diet ni Jacob, bawal ang honey. My love so sweet, bawal ang sweet. Kaya, yun. Natural sweetness na lang ng carrots at bell pepper. Kunting bell pepper lang. Tsaka yung onion naman guys is manamis-namis din. Kaya okay lang. Diba? Sumagot kayo. Siyempre, yung carrots, nilagyan ko din ng konting disenyo. Kita nyo ba? Bulaklakin. Ito na guys, ang ating mahiwagang atsara.